I just found something really, really creepy in Granny. It's an Easter egg. So you have to do this. It's really, really weird, but this isn't the Easter egg that... I don't know. But it's really creepy. So, yeah, I've posted a lot today. I'm not gonna post this today, but I'll post it tomorrow. This is like my 5th video I've recorded today. I'm not gonna post it, though. But... okay, so here's what you do. So you go downstairs and get the book. You may be asking yourself, what is this book for? I'll show you right now. So what you do is you go and you're gonna get the book. It sometimes is, I don't know, it's, oh my goodness, no. I don't know where the book is because it's not down here. Oh, there's the book right there. So you get the book. What you do is you go up here. Why is this doing this? Okay, so get the book. Okay, so after, okay, this is actually kind of driving me crazy. So after you get the book, you go over here into Granny's room. And at first I was like, wait, why can't I place it there? What you do is you knock, okay, I'm gonna drop the book. So what you do is, you knock this painting down. And what's this? Oh my goodness, forget it. What's that? It's a lever. So what you do is get the book. And that opens up this. What is this? That's the spider from earlier. That's a cage. It's like security camera things. Not sure what that is. And that's a hallway. But you place the book here, and look what it does. I think that might be like the old Granny or something. Like, oh my goodness, it's not Slenderina. That's Granny. That's Granny. What? Oh my goodness, what is this? Like, that's kind of creepy. Oh my goodness, Granny. Do you know what that could be? That could be the old Granny, and Granny took her spirit or something. But yeah, that's kind of weird. Yeah, that's this Easter egg in this. Bye, thanks, man.